Founded in 1983 and based just outside of Chicago, Colony Display is a designer, manufacturer, and installer of highly customized consumer environments. We have serviced some of the largest home improvement, retail, and hospitality companies for over 27 years. Today, with over $100 million in sales annually, we have several hundred team members across 2 manufacturing facilities covering 550,000 square feet, and we average over 20 truckloads a day of outbound shipments. Our headquarters in Elgin, Illinois houses our wood and metal manufacturing, prototyping, powder coating, and assembly operations. Our Batavia facility covers 300,000 square feet and focuses on inventory management, pre-assembly, and installation services. In 2019, Colony partnered with Kinsey Capital, a Chicago-based private equity firm, taking Colony to its next phase of growth. I started with the company when I was 12 years old. I basically mowed the lawn around the first building. People that work here at the management level, I used to work for them in various departments, and now they're running massive assembly lines. We have a unique set of cultures. We bridge that basically with an underlying understanding of respect.
I don't look at anyone's title. I don't look at if someone's just on the floor building something or if they're managing those people. I look at them all the same.
Colony enriches the consumer experience by bringing its customer's strategic vision to life by utilizing a highly experienced team. We share a collective commitment to providing the elevated service you've come to expect. Cultivating solutions that enhance the consumer experience is the Colony way.